Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We interrupt your regularly scheduled renovating programming to bring you Christmas! The first place that I wanted to start was Dollar Tree. I needed some supplies for some DIY projects that I have coming up in the future, and they have so much stuff and everything's only $1. This sign was so cute. I grabbed that because I want to do a DIY with that. One of my favorite things to do at Christmas is wrap presents. I know it's weird, but like I take it really seriously. And these little gift tags were really cute and they were such a good deal. Like 20 of them for $1. I was really excited to find those, so I grabbed a couple packages of those. These little sprigs are so good to like put in your tree or on garlands or wreaths. I've seen those before at Hobby Lobby and other places, and they're usually like much more expensive than $1, so that's a really good deal. I was so excited to find these bottle brush trees. It's like the whole reason that I came, because I want to do a DIY with them that's going to be coming out in next week's video. So I grabbed a bunch of those and then I headed over to Walmart. They have like a lot of cute stuff. They have upped their game. I grabbed this wood garland and I'm like going to use this not for Christmas because it's really cute. I love all the Christmas village stuff and I'm so excited because this year I have the shelves, the built-ins that we did in the living room. If you haven't watched that video, go check it out. But I have those to put all my little village people on and I think it's going to be so cute. I really liked this wreath. I feel like I could use that somewhere for sure. And then this garland made out of Santa's clothes. I mean, come on, that is so cute. And then I really liked this last wreath that I'm about to show you. I feel like you could use it year round, not just Christmas. It would be so cute on your front door like all year long. Okay, we did, where did we go first? Oh, Dollar Tree and Walmart, and now I want to do some thrifting. I'm at a thrift store that I like to go to. Sometimes they have good stuff, sometimes they don't. It's hit or miss. I mean, isn't that all thrift stores? But anyway, so I want to check out in here to see if there's anything that we can use. So this thrift store didn't have tons of stuff that I wanted this day. It's really, you don't ever know what you're gonna find, but I thought these were really cute. It's a little set for Christmas, and they had like the plates and the bowls to match, which is not super common that it's all together for you. If you ever need glassware, I'm telling you, the thrift store is the way to go. Like, these would be so cute, the candy dishes, to put some peppermints or something in it and make it look Christmassy.
Okay, here is another tip. I always like buy my books at thrift stores when I need to like have filler pieces. Look, but you fill it up 12 inches high and it's only $3. Okay, I stopped by Target. I love the Studio McGee line and the Hearth and Hand line, and they always have the cutest stuff for Christmas, so I just want to run in there and see what they have.
Of course, we are starting up front at the dollar spot. These trees are really cute. These two right here were velvety material, and then they had these ceramic ones that were light green. I grabbed a couple of the ceramic ones because I thought those would go better with the vibe that I'm going for this year. This Christmas is a little bit more neutral. Have I mentioned how much I love the Studio McGee line at Target? I think I have. Half of my house is decorated with their line. These were their stockings. I thought they were nice. And they had some other cute stuff like this little calendar counting down to Christmas. But what I really liked was this garland. It's big and chunky, and you could use this to decorate your house other than Christmas. Like, you use it at Christmas and then use it all throughout the year. But I loved this wood antiqued bowl. I really might have to go back and get this bowl because I'm still thinking about it. Then I went over to the Hearth and Hand section. Their stockings I thought were a little bit cuter, and their prices are a little bit cheaper than the Studio McGee line, which I was surprised about. The Hearth and Hand line has, like, hands down, in my opinion, the best smelling candles. I have multiple candles from their line. And I liked these gift tags. They're leather or faux leather, and the price wasn't too bad, $8 for 6 of them. After Target, I headed to Ikea, and I'm gonna be honest, guys, I was a little disappointed with their Christmas decor. Maybe my Ikea was just picked over, I don't know, but I just didn't think they had a lot of good stuff. I mean, some of it was cute. I liked these trees that they had, especially these kind of bare ones. If you're going for a more Scandinavian minimal look, that's not usually my vibe, but I did like those. And I really did like these pillow covers that they had because it's an inexpensive way to use the pillows that you already have and just throw a cover on them for Christmas instead of buying completely new pillows. I thought this was fun, this little miniature door for an elf or fairy or something. My daughter would like it. And then I found some more bottle brush trees. There were 3 of them for $3. They were still a better deal at Dollar Tree because we got 2 for $1, but those look really nice.
Okay, we're back from our shopping trip. Let's recap what we got. At Dollar Tree, I got like a bunch of these trees. I have a little DIY that I want to do with them. I got like 6 of these packages, which was a really good deal. It was $1 for 2 of them. So I got like 6 of those and some ornaments. I thought these were so cute. And then yeah, just some cute little ornaments for the tree. I might be doing 2 trees. I might put a tree in another room, so I just wanted to make sure I had enough ornaments. And then also these little gift tags that I thought were so cute. It was $1 for 20 of these and 25 of these. And this little sign that I want to do a craft with. This little thing, I thought it would be cute to put like a candle in the middle of it, and just some hooks for ornaments because I feel like I'm always running out of those. And I think that's all we got there. Yeah, that was all that we got there. And then Walmart, I got this garland. Honestly, like I'm gonna use this probably not Christmas because it's like just wood and neutral. It's really cute. And then just another little thing for my village. And then what else did we get? Oh, at Target we got these cute little ceramic trees to go on a shelf, and these guys, like I think I got 3 of these that we can use somewhere. So anyway, so that's what I got. I still haven't taken out my Christmas decorations from storage to remember like what I actually do have already, and then I'll buy stuff like when it goes on sale after Christmas, and then I'll forget what I bought the year before. So that'll be exciting whenever I do that. But anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks so much for sticking with me until the end, and make sure that you tune in next week because we're gonna be doing some DIYs, some crafts with the things that we got, and decorating for Christmas. Make sure that you're subscribed because you don't wanna miss it. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.